Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, power liftgate, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.